voices. There's a sound that lives between silence and speech. It's the sound of remembering. And that's what this episode is about. The sound of coming home. A few days ago, I stood virtually before 30 stroke survivors. Each one carried a story written in muscle memory. Some voices soft and halting, some words still finding their way home. And as I began to speak, I realized I wasn't just teaching, I was returning. Because 2 strokes taught me what no boardroom ever could. That recovery isn't just physical, it's spiritual. It's remembering who you are when your voice no longer obeys your will. The first time I lost my voice, I thought it was about the words. The second time, I realized it was about the wiring. My nervous system, once trained to perform, to push, to power through, was begging me to pause, to breathe, to listen. There's a kind of silence that isn't empty, it's sacred. And inside that silence, I found something I had lost long before the strokes. My sovereign voice. That's what I shared with them. Not just a speech, not a strategy, but a remembering. That sovereignty isn't about speaking louder. It's about speaking from wholeness. It's about letting your voice follow your breath instead of chasing your worth. One woman said to me afterwards, tears resting on the edge of her smile, and she said, Felicia, you just helped me forgive my voice for not being what it used to be. I thought, that's it. That's the work. Not fixing, not proving, remembering. So as October closed with World Stroke Day, I lit a candle. For every survivor still finding their sound. For every woman still learning to lead from calm instead of control. And for the version of me who once believed that perfection was protection. It never was. Presence is. So I'm not chasing my voice anymore. I'm following it. And every time I speak to a survivor, to a leader, or to a room full of strangers, I feel it. The sound of coming home. If you've ever lost your voice, literally or figuratively, this space is for you. Because your voice isn't gone. It's waiting for you to remember the rhythm. With love and resonance, I'm Felicia, founder of Voice Sovereignty and creator of Elevate. Thank you for being here, for listening, reading, or simply breathing with me. If this spoke to you, share it with someone finding their rhythm again. And until next time, breathe, regulate, and speak.